So this is the last problem applying this big idea of transformations for now. And so I have a quadratic again, so I need to know that to know my jump pattern. So I know my A value is 1, HK is 4, -9. Remember, because it's x minus h squared plus k. That's one of the hardest things to keep track of. Some people think of it as the opposite of what's inside the parentheses and the same as what's outside. Whatever you need to do, you need to remember that's x minus h. So that's my vertex. I know I have a line of symmetry at x equals 4. So let me fill in some of these details. X equals 4. My y-intercept and my x-intercept. So let's first graph it, and then we can talk about how we see it visually and how we can know it from the equation itself. So let me zoom out. So graphing this, my vertex is at 4, -9. My jump pattern is 1. So right one up 1, right one up 1, 2, 3, right one up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right one up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've run out of room. I know I have a line of symmetry along x equals 4. So here you go. That is your parabola. I can see my y-intercept is right here at 0, 7. So visually I could see it there. I say I have two x-intercepts that are neatly at 7, 0 and 1, 0. So I could write that in. But before I do, I want to talk about how we can do it from just the equation itself. Sorry, moving up. There we go. So my equation I know is y equals x minus 4 quantity squared minus 9. And my y-intercept is where x is 0. So I could set x equal to 0 to find the y value at the y-intercept. So y equals 0 minus 4 squared minus 9, which is the same as 16 minus 9, which is the same as 7. So y is 7 when x is 0, which we know then is 0, 7. For the x-intercepts, we set y equal to 0. So 0 equals x minus 4 squared plus 9. Sorry, minus 9. Minus 9. We can solve for x by getting the squared quantity alone. So I have 9 equals x minus 4 squared. And then take the square root of both sides, and I get plus and minus 3 equals x minus 4. Adding 4 to both sides, I get 4 plus and minus 3 equals x when y is 0, which of course translates to 7 and 1, which is exactly what we had when y is 0. We knew x was either 7 or 1. So those are my my x-intercepts. My y-intercept is 0, 7. So we could do it graphically, we could do it algebraically to find these intercepts of a parabola, knowing that parabolas can have two x-intercepts, or none, or one. So we can't assume anything about them.